akasheshekera izuba ahabo kwata kubi ahamwena no kureberera kubi abarwire barugambaho na Sky TV chairperson w'entebe ya katano aba district ya Kasese wabanagambaho na nabataka ahirwareri muhindi Elfazi yagira ngo abantu babiri nibo barugamba kwa bafire ngo abo kushanga ngo abashaho babanagirire ahirwareri.
These people were claiming yesterday the doctor referred their patient to go for a scan, and so they decided to take this person for a scan at around midday. By 2 o'clock they were already back, but since that time from 2 o'clock to the time when the person passed on, the patient had not been attended to. There was no single nurse, no single health worker in the health facility to attend to them. And they are saying this is the second incident, because even yesterday there is another young person that passed on as a result of staff members not caring.
Yayongera yagira ngo hariho timu eriyo necondoza okureba ecyakubasa kurujiriraho kandi baheza kucondoza eshongeji nagira ngo rije kushangwa waremwe gukora kurunji omurimo gwe naija kutwarwa omumbuga z'amateka.
The regional police liaison officer is already here on site, and other police officers. We are trying to investigate this situation, this allegation, so that at the end of the day, if it is proved beyond doubt that that's what happened and there was negligence of duty, the law is there. We shall act and apprehend those people and prosecute them to the courts of law.
Uriyo mugambirizi wa polisi ahabo cyanga echarenzori East Mbusa Ruku yagambanya kufanka Amos Kure omutaka wa Gomborora eya Katerera omu district eya Rubirizi. Mbusa yagira ngo amakuru nigoreka ngo nyakufa afire bwanyuma yo kugira ngo abashaho ababire bakozire bamunagirire.
Today in the morning a certain incident have been reported to our police station that one Kule Amos, 30 years old, is a male from Kitereka, Rubirizi, that he has passed on, and the report we are getting that this could have been a result of negligence of duty.
Mbusa yayongera yarajira uri kurira irwareri ahamwena n'abandi ababire barishemerire kubani bakora okuza police bakakora statement obwena no kucondoza kuri kweyongera omisho
kale to have the in charge of this health center and then the duty roster to identify which people were supposed to be on duty, and perhaps after investigation whoever will be found that he neglected and causing death because of this negligence of duty, then we shall bring her or him to book. We have ordered now the in charge of this health center and those people who are supposed to be on duty all to report at police for their statements.
Skovia Muhindo obire nareberera omugenzi yagira ngo munyanya nagambwa kuba afire bwanyuma yo kubura koraho abashaho ababire bakozire.
Kabiri tinkafunaga nangwa na doctor akwiza gukora ki kubasa kuba namureberera ko kuba no gambara doctor banagambira nyowe ngo numaniza kutaha tubire buri nyamwazo batuhaka papura ngo umurwire tumutwara mu scan kuturugireyo tuno turebere ngo azabase gukora ki kurebera mu ruire witu abirataro bayira zaikasahina kuzaikasahina za nyecuro yatandika kutaka yajango mundani hamushasha mnonga konga tuza kuri yo mode omunaka ko mode zindi kuronda ba doctor babire
bamwe abantu betombwitwa abagambo na Sky TV bagira ngo irwareri tiri atfayo abantu abari kwija koraguza ikiri kuretera abantu bingi okufera abakundwa babo.
The problem we have here in this hospital, Rukoch Health Center 4, the nurses are negligent. Every nurse comes on his time, doesn't follow the rules of the hospital. The negligence of the nurses, so far we have lost 2 people here because of negligence.
Yazenga mulwadde omusajja ne bamugamba genda ogule eddagala nagula eddagala nagenda mu x-ray nagenda mu sikaani ate oluva mu sikaani eddagala liguze mbu teri dokita agenda kukolako ate nga bw'oyogera naye kennyini akugamba nti tewali dokita nga naye kennyini dokita neweebuuza kati oba oyogera na neweebuuza oba yasoma.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Muhindo Gerard wa Sky TV omuli Kasese.